Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli on FSD. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my supporters. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code and support me on Patreon. I much appreciate it. As we know, one of the greatest things about Tesla, among many things, it's Tesla are the safest cars. Now, whether it's crash tested by Tesla itself, by NHTSA, by the Insurance Association, but there is a institution. I'm sure you heard of it if you follow electric cars or not. Does test a lot of other cars. It's called Euro NCAP. And Euro NCAP every few years tests the new models of electric cars and new cars that are coming into market. And Tesla always get the highest rate. Now, let me just tell you, because I really follow these. Now, you see, let's say you see a Tesla Model Y, then you see a Ford Mach-E, and then you see, I don't know, BYD or whatever it is that they, or Geely, whatever that they. Just say 5 stars. 5 stars looks great. Everybody likes 5 stars. But not all 5 stars are created equal, because they have categories, okay? And sometimes you see, you see a car gets 5 stars, and they get like 90. Think about grading, like you get a grade on a test. 90, you get a 90 on this category, but then you get like a 70 on this category. So they calculate it all together, and that's how they come up with the ranking. So the new Tesla Model, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 was tested, and look at the 4 categories, look at the 4 grades. Okay, 87, 89, and 90. Here's the adult occupancy for 90. What happened if, God forbid, there is a head-on collision? What happened to adults in the front? Okay, so what I'm saying, when they do these tests, whether it is for adults, children sitting in the back, pedestrians, and also the most important thing, the last thing that they test in the category, it is the safety assistant. Let's say the autopilot or the cruise control and all that stuff. What happened? How does it perform on the road? So anything about 85, I would say, it's really good. Now the Model Y, I remember the last time the tested the Model Y was a few years ago. Obviously, the new Model Y, the Juniper that we just got launched, have not been tested. It will be, but I remember the previous version of the Model Y got like 90 and above on almost every single category. So sometimes I see some Chinese cars, they get 75 on something, 89 on something, and all kinds of grades. It does give them 5 stars, and it's great, but it's not really, you have to look at it per category. So here's these children, so 93 is a very high grade. What happens if there is a side impact, like T-boning, or collision in the front, or collision from the back? Okay, here is a pedestrian, 89. Okay, so this is, by the way, see this, what you just saw, this is a standard of a hood only in Europe. Okay, they have a different standard in Europe. Okay, here's pedestrians. Okay, here's a pedestrian walking, crossing the road, walking backward, coming from behind. Here is a cyclist. Now, this I test all the time when I'm on my highway. One thing about Tesla safety features assistance, it's always been very good with pedestrians, whether it's FSD, autopilot, whatever. It's been very good with pedestrians, motorcycles, cyclists. Really good. So it is an incredible achievement. I am totally and absolutely not surprised. Safety assist, okay, all the safety assist. See that? Now, let me just tell you this. As a person who drives FSD almost every single day, the FSD level 4, okay, I mean hardware 4 and software AI 4, it is the most incredible thing I've ever experienced. I mean, I know robotaxi is coming. You not forget robotaxi. You own the car, you have FSD, If you don't have it, I know it's expensive. You can rent it once a month. It is so incredibly safe. That by itself, forget crashing. This is, the best accident is the one that doesn't happen. The safety features, the you know the stop sign, the performance of the car. Forget lane changing, all this great stuff, but the safety of it is incredible. 10 times, 100 times better than a human being. And I'm telling you, the path is not crash test. The path is autonomous car, so crashes don't even happen. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen in the future. But this is where we're going. I am telling you, this is where we're going. It is incredible, incredible. And when that happens, all these things will not be even necessary. Obviously, they're going to be cars driving a legacy, people own it. But as it's phased out, it's going to be incredible. Mark my word. Thank you guys for watching.